So with me here is it's a GMC Terrain 2011. I've been having problems with the starter. Been trying to figure out, and going to YouTube and trying to Google it, but nothing seemed to have been straightforward. And then I figured that it's probably the starter relay. So here's exactly what's going on with it. I can just hear the clicking sound, but the vehicle is not starting. As you can see, all the electronics are coming on. The blower is good. The radio is working. And I still can't start it. I changed the battery, put a new one just the other day. And then I went to the auto parts, that is Napa, and got the starter relay. So with me here is a small little gadget, and it has the starter relay schematics, and so this is where the third one here, 1, 2, 3. This is where the relay goes in, and on the other side it's the fuse. So I'm gonna give it a try now, see if it works. See. Okay. Bingo. Look at that. So if you got any problem with the same vehicle and it's not starting, I presume you might have to check on the fuse, or maybe the relay. I only spent less than $40 to get the relay and replace it myself instead of going to the mechanic. Yeah, so this is it. Pretty simple, really. All right, thanks for checking out, guys. Peace out.